you mad? Are you mad, chocolate face? What is that? What is that? Is that your mad face? Make your mad face. Frank, make your mad face. Just heard this noise from behind me, this snorting. I'm looking.
I'm showing him what to do.
Yay! Yay for your mad face! Hooray!
Yay, Frankie! Yay! Yay, Frankie! Yay! It's slow-mo.
Slow clap. Oh wow, he's giving us a slow clap.